Rabbit saying welcome to a brand new video dedicated to programming. As I was saying in a previous video, today we will install Visual Studio, the program that will allow us to create or debug our programs. So, open a browser and navigate to the address from where you can download it. It is worth mentioning that Visual Studio Community Edition is entirely free. And of course, it doesn't hurt to look over the system requirements before actually installing it, just to make sure you get no surprises later on. So, once the download is done, we start downloading the core files. This process can take a while, so you have to be patient. Oh, and by the way, when this process will be done, you need to download some additional components related to the actual language we will want to use. So, here they are, a lot of options to choose from, but we will be interested only in the desktop development one, which will be more than enough for our beginner level. Select it, check out the space requirements, and make sure you satisfy them and start the download. When it will be completed, we can run the Visual Studio program itself. At this point, a window will pop up asking you to create or log in with an email account, and although we have the option to skip this step for now, clicking on Not Now, Maybe Later, Visual Studio won't allow us to use it anymore after a while until we sign in, so yeah, you better do it now. Obviously, using the right password could help us. Finally, Visual Studio will start, and this is the step that confirms that everything went okay. In the next lesson, we will create our first project. Until then, all the best for you guys. Bye!